Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for 1st of April, Friday. Today's Friday guys, and we're looking amazing. Now my technical target actually got met again, and we've actually go to the 125 and we start to take a breath here a little bit, and that's completely okay. This is going to be a very quick update guys, and it seems like we are starting to get a bullish cross and a confirmation of a bullish cross. Now it does make sense for Solana to actually either move to sideways like this and wait for the EMAs to come up and catch up. Okay, the EMAs come up like this, or you actually go for the correction to come to the 10 to the $111, hold the 10, or perhaps have a deeper correction and come down to 104 and hold these levels and go to the upside. Now whatever this is not very clear at this point of time, but what I'm going to say is that you're going to have to wait for a little bit of a confirmation here that if the prices just want to come a little bit down here, touch the 10 EMA. That's the only thing that I just wanted to know. Okay, nothing big stories in this update at this point of time. And if you've been buying when I was updating Solana, I was updating down here. Like this is where you were breaking out, and this is why I was making the videos. So far you're already 40% up, 40% up, and that's an amazing opportunity. But I still believe that you are looking for Solana to go all the way to this level. The game isn't over, because by the end of the day, that's the falling wedge, and that's the technical target of the falling wedge. Unless you're not invalidating any pattern, you are still looking good to continue to the upside. Okay, that's it, and that's it. Backtest the EMAs. We have the bullish cross here, and we are looking good. Of course, nothing goes up forever. You're gonna go up, come down, go up, come a little bit down, touch the 10, boom, explode to the upside. And that's it for the update. If you guys want to learn technical analysis, you can take my TA course, and if you want to pay 29 bucks instead of 49, message me on Discord, and you can pay with cryptocurrency for 29 bucks. But if you want to pay with without crypto, you can just pay 49 if you wish. That's up to you. And that's it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.